Ha?
Ikaw na mag-aaral possession. Ayan, alam mo kanina commentator ka eh. Sa, sa lukbang pala, commentator ka eh.
Alright, back to the ball game. Welcome back
Yun.
sa ating Junior
Nagkakama
International
kanina eh.
Basketball Cup. Pang-anim na laro, Las Vegas versus New York.
New York.
13 under division. Las Vegas will get their first possession of the ball game as their first shot is no good. Ito na ang New York. Castillo. 3 is no good. Para sa unang tira ni JP Corpus.
Go back. Go back. Wala.
Salvatera. Unang tira para sa kanya. That won't go. Rebound para sa Las Vegas. At nakakuha ng foul sa ilalim. Dito si Riley Florendo. And he will shoot 2 free throws. Dalawang free throws para kay Florento. A layup is good. First shot para kay Ben Santiago sa New York. Andre Salvatera with the ball. Kick out pass kay Sanchez. Sanchez natapikan. Stolen away by Santiago. Goes coast to coast. That won't go. Rebound para kay Florendo. Florendo. That one is good. Para kay Riley Florendo. Santiago. Lost it out of bounds. The ball will go back to Las Vegas. Here goes Salvatera with the ball. Salvatera drives way off on that shot, and that goes out of bounds. Castillo naman. Drives. Layup, dog good. Rebound ni Mendoza. Mendoza. Coast to coast layup is good. Para kay Melo Mendoza. Mendoza with the steal. Mendoza. That layup is no good para kay Mendoza. Sanchez. Counted and one para kay Riley Florendo. Florendo shoot a bonus shot. Mendoza with the rebound. Mendoza aatake na naman. That pass got deflected away by New York. It will stay sa Las Vegas. "20 seconds to shoot para sa Las Vegas." The three-pointer is good for Salvatera. Nine-point lead para sa Las Vegas. Chan with the ball. Pass on the wing. Ito si Corpus. Spins. Got blocked away by Liao. Go Salvatera all the way. Layup is no good.
Padlock na raw yata, ewan ko.
Put the tip in is no good once again for Las Vegas. Corpus. Sasalaksak. Layup. Again, that won't go para sa New York. Lefty layup is good para kay Salvatera. Double digit lead dito para sa Las Vegas. Santiago. Bagsi rin. Salvatera. Two-pointer is no good. Corpus with the rebound. Comes Corpus. Sasalaksak na naman. Loses the ball. Loses the handle. We got a substitution for New York. Dean and Nano subbing in for the first time of this ball game. Subbing out dito si Andre Flores para sa New York. Salvatera with the ball. Dumidiskarte. Kicks it out the wing. Sa gitna, tinira sa tres. Sablay. Para kay Reyes. Steal by Reyes. That won't go again para kay Chandler Reyes. Yeah, with the steal on that pass. Here comes Florendo. Florendo, tumira ng tres. That one is good para kay Riley Florendo. 12-point lead para sa Las Vegas. Riley Florendo already with 9 points. And another turnover here by New York. It's Salvatera with the ball. Kicks it out again. A three. It's good again. This time it's Melo Mendoza. Corpus drives. And a foul called. A push called on Melo Mendoza. Substitution for Las Vegas. Jerick Espiritu subbing in for the first time into this ball game. 14 seconds to shoot para sa New York. Corpus. The corner three is no good para kay Castillo. Mendoza with the ball. Setting the play. Screen dito si Reyes. A corner. The kick out pass got stolen away. Here comes Corpus. Corpus drives. And he is fouled. That will be on Reyes.
First foul. Second team foul.
First foul dito para kay Reyes. Shooting 2 naman si JP Corpus. One of two para kay Corpus. Salvatera with the ball. Salvatera out the corner to Mendoza. Back to Salvatera. And a traveling violation called on Melo Mendoza. Ball will go back to New York. That pass got deflected.
Black safety.
Same ball. And we got a timeout, New York. With 10 minutes and 14 seconds in the first half.
Hindi pa lang tayo.
Back to the ball game here, New York. With 19 seconds to shoot. Castillo, rediscarte, double team. Pasa inside. The shot is no good. Para kay Enano. Offensive rebound, New York. The three-pointer is no good. Para kay Santiago. Forward pass, Espiritu loses the ball. Stolen away by New York. Castillo loses the ball. Reyes with the steal. Espiritu lays it up and in. And a foul called on Reyes.
Second foul, 0.
Second foul para kay Reyes. Chan in trouble, double team, stolen away by Espiritu. Eto si Salvantera. Alvantera pulls up, two-pointer is no good. Rebound ng New York. Corpus with the ball. And a held ball.
New York.
Substitution para sa Las Vegas. Lorendo subbing back in para sa Las Vegas. Liao magpapahinga. Rebound by Espiritu. Outside pass, three-pointer is no good. Ball goes out of bounds.
Call ba? Nangyari.
And another held ball. This time Las Vegas will get the possession with 14 seconds to shoot. Here's Mendoza. Didiscarte. Mendoza drives. That won't go. Gets his own rebound. And he puts it back in para kay Melo Mendoza. That goes out of bounds. Substitution para sa Las Vegas. Chandler Reyes subbing back in.
23 na. 23 na, boy. 23.
Ito si Salvatera. Three-pointer para kay Reyes. That won't go. Corpus with a long rebound. Corpus, tinira. Walang mapasahan. Tinira niya na lang. Outside. Las Vegas will take it back. Ito si Salvatera. Same ball possession ng Las Vegas with 15 seconds to shoot. The 3-ball catch and shoot is good for Salvatera. It's a 21-point lead for Las Vegas. Corpus. Another turnover para sa New York. A counter steal naman ng New York. Santiago
Property violation.
got called for a travel. Substitution para sa Las Vegas. Suriel Sanchez subbing back in. Ahead pass. Shot is no good para ay sumalpong. Espiritu, banks rin.
Position, team number 45, 7. Assist 2 points.
Corpus. Kasalaksak, loses the handle. Got deflected inside. Two-pointer is no good. Again for New York. Can't make a shot. James Bueno with the ball. Setting the play para sa Las Vegas, and Sanchez got called for a moving screen.
Stop.
Substitution para sa New York. Enano sabing back in. Castillo on the wing. Santiago drives, puts it up. Bank shot won't go, gets it back. He is fouled, counted, and one. Para kay Ben Santiago. He will go on the line to shoot a bonus shot. And that foul is on Reyes. That's his second. Santiago way off on that free throw. Miguel Liao sabing back in para sa Las Vegas. Yao puts it up, floater, that won't go, rebound. Santiago drives, puts it up. That one is good. Para kay bench Santiago. Ball got deflected away. And lays it in, Jake Castillo. Kakaroon na ng momentum paunti-unti ang New York United. As we approach the 2 minutes of this first half. Liao couldn't get it to go. Ball is loose. That goes out of bounds. New York will take it back. James Bueno with the ball. Bueno. Pass it inside the baseline. Liao na libre. And he lays it in. Back to a 19-point lead para sa Las Vegas. Inside pass, sumalpong. That will go. Bueno the rebound. Bueno, ahead pass. Lefty layup is good para kay Reyes.
Reyes. Kiro.
And we got a timeout para sa Las Vegas with 45 seconds remaining in the first half.
Score 22-11 is Las Vegas.
Ano mo yung kuha mo? Ano sabi sa kanya eh? Wag lang ibaba.
Back to the ball game. 45 seconds remaining.
Ay, wala po. Ano rep po? Ganda ka lang sa likod.
Dito sa first half, Las Vegas back within 21. Here comes Castillo, double team. Flores in trouble, double team as well. Kasalaksak Santiago.
Harap.
25 seconds remains in the first half.
20 seconds!
Bueno. Called for a traveling violation.
10 seconds!
10 seconds remaining.
One!
Castillo. 3 seconds. At 3. Will not go, and that ends our first half. Las Vegas with a 21-point lead. 32-11. Back to the ball game. Start of our second half. New York with the first possession para sa second half. Castillo, 2-pointers, no good. Rebound na Las Vegas. Ahead pass si Reyes.
Oy! Yun!
That shot will not go.
Pasa yun!
Castillo with the ball. Castillo, corner, Santiago.
Captain! Oy!
Three-pointer is no good. And it hits the backboard. Las Vegas will take the ball back. Corner pass. Reyes. He got hacked inside. So Chandler Reyes will shoot two. Yao with the offensive rebound. He's in trouble and got called for a traveling violation. Here's Chan. The shot is good for JP Corpus. Salvatierra. With the moves, lefty layup is good for A3 Salvatierra. Yao with the steal. Ahead pass si Reyes. Bank shot is good para kay Chandler Reyes.
2 points out, 2 points.
And Flores loses the handle. That goes out of bounds. Las Vegas will take it back front court with 14 to shoot. Inside pass kay Reyes na naman. Chandler Reyes with back-to-back buckets. Three-pointer, no good. Ahead pass. Si Reyes na naman. Kakana na naman para kay Chandler Reyes. 6 straight points para kay Chandler Reyes and a steal by Reyes. Reyes, that one misses. Loose ball, mapupunta sa Las Vegas. Reyes, kick out. And a travel call para kay Mendoza. Substitution para sa New York and Nano.
New York. 20-point up lead.
2 points is good para kay Corpus. Ahead pa si Reyes na naman. 8 straight points para kay Chandler Reyes. Chan with the ball. Puts it up. Way off and Nano got blocked away by Mendoza. Mendoza pass to Reyes. And inside pass to Salvatierra. Salvatierra the steal. Reyes outside. Liao drives. The floater is good.
30-point lead, warning for the left.
Ano,
Warning.
warning para sa Las Vegas
Warning.
for
Pag
mercy
not
rule.
Mercy rules. First infractions of the mercy rules.
Las Vegas with a 31-point lead. And Kyle Chan got called. He got hacked. And Chan will go to the line to shoot 2 free throws. Bola mapupunta uli sa New York. With 14 to shoot.
Napakanin mo pa yata. Ha? Napakanin mo.
Castillo. Chan. Ball movement para sa New York. 3-point. It's no good. And Nano with the rebound on that miss. And he follows good for 2. Here's Bueno. Corner, Espiritu. Too strong on that shot. And Nano with the rebound. Here comes Castillo with the ball. Corpus. Sasalaksak. Floater is no good. Coast to coast para kay Florendo. Good for 2. 30-point game para sa Las Vegas. The 3 banks it in. Bueno with the ball. Sanchez. At the wing, Espiritu. Sasalaksak and got called for a travel.
2 points lang yung panguli ha. 2 points lang.
47. At ano? 19? First 19 points.
Bakit ano ito? Galing yung 20. Chan, the 3 is no good. Para kay Flores.
Kaya mo na.
Here goes Espiritu. Liao. Got fouled. He'll shoot 2 free throws.
First personal foul.
Hindi makarelax sir. Hindi makarelax. Hindi mabuya sila. Hindi ako matulog oh. Sarap dyan. Reverse layup is good. Para kay Castillo. Liao, jump shot. Rolls in. Para kay Miggy Liao. Sanchez. Spins, bumps, loses it. The shot is no good para kay Bueno. New York secures the rebound.
Rick, pasuyo ko ng tubig.
Corpus.
Sa yung tubig, pasuyo nga ako din.
Substitution para sa New York. Ben Santiago subbing back in. 17 seconds to shoot para sa Las Vegas. Liao. Bueno. Espiritu, 2-pointer, no good. Liao. The tip-in is good para kay Miggy Liao. Here goes Castillo with the ball. Castillo outside pass. Out the corner, Santiago. Ball got stolen away by Bueno. 1-on-1 against Chan. Bueno to Espiritu, back to Bueno. Bueno fakes. Has it back outside. Espiritu na libre. That will go. Offensive rebound ng Las Vegas. And Riley Florendo got called. Got hacked. Following on that miss, he will shoot 2 free throws. 2 of 2 para kay Florendo.
Rep, mukhang mahabol natin yung last game. Mukhang mahabol natin. Bakit? Kasi kapag na ganito 20 above yung mahabol natin.
Corpus misses that shot. Defensive rebound, New York. And the follow is good para kay Castillo. Bueno.
Yan.
Liao, susubok ng malayo. That won't go. Way off on that shot.
Sa malamang.
Ito si Castillo. On the corner. Pass it back outside. The triple is no good para kay Chan. Offensive rebound ng New York. Florendo. Cut block by Santiago. And a foul called on Las Vegas. That will be on James Bueno. That's just his first. Castillo. 2-pointer is good para kay Jay Castillo.
Dito lang nang bumase. Dito lang nang bumase ng team foul. Anong tatagal?
Sanchez.
Sata. Tres ba? Basta, di ba? Ito lang to.
Pass to Bueno. Florendo.
Shot clock, 4!
Liao. Castillo with the steal. Castillo counted and a foul para kay Jay Castillo. Bonus shot is good for Jake Castillo. .25 game. Las Vegas with a huge lead. And a steal by New York. Santiago spins, blocked by Liao. That's Bueno with the ball. Pass to Reyes. On the corner to Sanchez.
12 seconds!
12 seconds to shoot para sa Las Vegas. Sanchez, inside pass to Bueno. Out the corner, back to Sanchez. The shot, in and out. Chan, pass to Santiago. Back to Castillo. Back to Chan, ball movement para sa New York. Inside pass, that won't go. Offensive rebound, New York na agawan dito ni Reyes. Reyes goes all the way. Bueno with the rebound on that miss. And a steal by Castillo. Too strong on that pass. And a turnover para sa New York.
Meron tayo sa ba?
Saan tayo?
Bueno, 2-pointer, that won't go. Rebound New York. Castillo. And that shot is good for Castillo. 23-point game. Kani-kanina lang nasa 30 ang kalamangan ng Las Vegas. Nalibre si Espiritu sa ilalim. Great pass. It's Castillo. Substitution for both teams. Enano para sa New York. Florendo naman para sa Las Vegas. Three and a half to go dito sa second half. Sa Las Vegas. A 25-point lead. Liao. Pinilit. Too strong. He gets it back. And he loses it. Stolen away by Santiago. Liao. Espiritu. Pass to Florendo and he got called for a traveling violation. Three and a half to go dito sa second half.
Dito agad tayo na the last 2 minutes.
Las Vegas with a
Last 2 minutes lang.
25-point lead. Florendo for 3 is good.
Alas natin next game.
Here's Chan.
Next game, pare. Next game, get ready.
Ayan na, ayan na. And we reach under 2 minutes of this ball game. Las Vegas 21 plus point lead. May rules tayo dito na kapag ang winning team ay may lead ng 21 plus points, under 2 minutes, automatic panalo na po ang leading team na may 21 plus points. So Las Vegas will take this win